Hello, hello. My name is Angie, and I am going to be showing off the cup slicer today. Now, the cup slicer comes with every startup kit. It comes with any other kit that you buy that you wanted to purchase to become a consultant, but it also is sold individually and separately so that you can buy one for yourself, you can buy one for your kids, you can buy one for your mom. This thing is pretty cool. I've seen the videos. I have not used it yet since I just got it a couple of days ago. And so I'm going to be showing that. We've got some strawberries, a mini sweet pepper, and a hard-boiled egg. It does say that it has to be used with soft foods, so no like, what am I trying to say? Like potatoes and carrots and things like that that are hard. So that's why we've got some strawberries. I'm gonna try the sweet pepper. I don't know if it's too hard, but we're gonna try it. And then the hard-boiled egg is obviously soft enough. But first I wanna show you that it has this little base on it and you take that off. Okay, so that's gonna keep the blades from being sharp while you're just trying to store it. Set that down. Now, I don't know if you can see it on the video very well, but it does have lots of little blades here. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blades, and it looks like they're almost like a comb on there. So that's what that looks like. And when you cut down, you can kind of move it around a little bit, and it'll hold whatever you're cutting inside the cup. So you cut it until your cup is full or until you have enough that what you want, and then just pour it into your salad or your pasta salad, your regular salad, whatever it is that you want, or that you're gonna be maybe just eating the slices themselves. So that was pretty cool. And you always wanna have it on a cutting mat or a cutting board. I have a small cutting board right here. And I'm gonna cut off the tops of these little strawberries here. And at some other point, I wanna make some strawberry syrup with those tops. So I'm not gonna throw those away. And then I'm also gonna cut off the top of this pepper and then cut it in half because it's a little bit long. So, all right, we're gonna try. So here with the hard-boiled egg, put these aside. Hard-boiled egg, nice and easy cut. I'm gonna bring that out so that you guys can see it. Nice, even slices. That was so cool. And it's so much easier than sitting it on one of those little egg slicers, putting it down, okay, because that's just gonna take up more room in your kitchen, and this can do more than just an egg. So I'm gonna set those aside. There we go. Okay, let's do the strawberry now. Just cut that right there, and I'm gonna do the next one. Oh my goodness, it's so smooth and easy. It does look like it wants to stick a little bit, so I'm gonna kind of do this and then cut it out of my, come on, there we go. Perfect, even, lovely little triangles. Perfect, oh my gosh, this is so cool. And they're even. I like that they're even. I don't have to cut it myself and get 14 different sizes as I'm trying to cut. All right, so moment of truth. I don't know about the peppers. We're gonna try it right now. And let's see what happens. That worked. And again, it kind of wants to stay on the outside of this a little bit. So I'm gonna try and push it down a little bit with a different surface. I wonder if using this would help, just help with the base. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect little strips of pepper. I'm gonna do the other one right now. You can hear it. And then I'm gonna put it back into its base to help finish that process. That is so cool. These are dishwasher safe from what I understand. So if you have a dishwasher, we don't. Well, we do, it's my mom. You can easily just put it in the dishwasher, let it soak, or let it get clean that way, or let it soak in your sink and wash it off. I would definitely recommend some kind of a kitchen brush so that you're not brushing it off with your fingers, because that would hurt. But yeah, that's the cup slicer. So you need one. Go out and get one.